Hi everybody, Matt here with Keystone RV Company, and I've got a mess on my hands, literally. This here is a standard RV converter and a standard way of wiring your towable RV in our industry. We at Keystone, we don't like this practice at all. And the reason why, nothing here is numbered, nothing is marked, and we have no idea where any of this stuff goes to. We at Keystone, we do it differently, and I'm going to show you how. So we're here at a brand new Keystone RV that's getting ready to be delivered. There's many reasons why this is much better. First off, it's a lot cleaner and more organized, and also safer. Secondly, if a problem were to arise later in life with your RV, let's say the ceiling fan goes out. Well, this makes it really simple to figure out exactly what's happening. Is it the motor with the ceiling fan, or is it the electrical circuit? In a matter of minutes, we can diagnose it and get you back on the open road. With the old way, it can take hours, and no one likes downtime at a service center. As the only towable manufacturer doing this, this is another example of how we're building units for the long haul.
Thanks for watching Keystone RV on YouTube. Like and share this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for the latest product updates and valuable service advice from the experts here at Keystone RV, keeping you camping through the long haul.